Hey guys, welcome back today. If you've seen in my yesterday's video, I try to make this slime out of stress balls, or as you guys knew, it didn't work. So today, I remember yesterday I said I was going to be making slime outside, but I don't really feel like doing it that much. So yeah, we're just going to make some regular clear elmo glue. I got 2 of them. And my activator, and again, this is not tied, it's just regular borax. And I got the spoon and the bowl. And so I guess we're just going to make a bit of slime. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And yeah. So I guess after you make clear glue, if you clear slime, usually you're supposed to let it sit for a day or two, a couple hours. And you'll see because it'll go completely clear. Normally there's a few bubbles, but I guess we're just going to open it now and we're going to see what happens. This is taking a long time. So now we're just going to go on to the next glue. And I guess we'll just get back to you guys when we have it all. Okay, so now we got all the glue put in. It's like really mixy, so yeah. I got a little on the side, so I'm just going to scrape it down. Okay, so we're just going to add a bit of activator in it. Hi there. So I guess depending on how much activator, so like say if you put a lot of activator in at once, then your slime will be really rippy. And if you put a little bit activator in bit by bit, you keep mixing it, your slime will be like really stretchy. And I like to kind of get it stretchy, but not too stretchy. So we're just gonna mix it up now. And I got the container for the clear glue. So yeah, just gonna keep mixing. So this is elmo glue, so I'm thinking it should work pretty good. Zoe, what are you doing?
Watching YouTube.
Come say hi.
Are you recording for a YouTube video?
Yeah?
Oh. What are you doing?
Making clear glue. Or clear slime, I mean. I still got 1 bottle of clear glue left. Okay, I'll see you guys when it is all done. Okay, so it's not ready yet, but I just put a little bit more borax in here because it wasn't really activating that good. So, give it a good shake. And then we're just going to pour it in. Oh, I got on my pants. So I'm going to mix it. Yep, now it's working better. If you guys want a better view of it, this is what it looks like. It doesn't look clear. That's what happens, but you have to let it sit for a day or two, a few hours, then it will turn clear. So this is what I got so far. Yeah. So we'll see you guys when the slime is ready. So I'm starting to go in with my hands, and very goopy. And yeah. But I kind of like that feeling where like it's sort of coming together. But I see like a lot of people just keep mixing and then all of a sudden it's all perfect. So I don't get it. But yeah, I'll activate it a bit more and we'll see how far we get. I am actually done the, this is what it turned into. Really thick and whippy. Like, I don't even like want to touch. I'm actually not going to toss this one. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple weeks and see what happens. Just gonna shove in the container. I'm gonna put the top on. I think it's all closed. But yeah, my hands are full of slime. Oh, my foot's been tingling the whole time. But yeah. Ugh. So I will see you guys 2 weeks or something. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. So see you guys. Bye.